Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach here, Eastern North Carolina. Gorgeous morning, hot summertime here, but also want to show you this really nice 2019 Seabourn 22 FX. Boat's been repowered in 2023 with the Yamaha 250. 116 hours as of today. You can tell we're looking at 2 power poles, shallow water anchoring system. I can see the quick disconnect flush. Owner flushes the motor after each use. Also has an Atlas jack plate back there as well. I've got flip-up seats. I'll post photos of those here in the back deck. Live well on the back deck, and lithium batteries, both starting and for the trolling motor. Check out this huge casting deck up here. 24 volt Minn Kota, spot lock, all the nice features on it. In deck rod storage, another live well in the console there. Nice cooler. Downrigger mount is staying with the boat. Flooring's in good shape. Canvas cover for the console and the leaning post. Bilge pumps, live wells, wash down, jack plate switches, everything works. Stereo's about a year old. Powers up, connects to Bluetooth, sounds great. Raymarine display and Garmin display, and then your Yamaha tack here. Edison tilt wheel, hydraulic steering, speed knob on there. Obviously these cushions fold down, upholstery's in good shape. Just show you some of the storage up here in the bow. This opens up, nice heavy lid, insulated. Throw your food and drinks in there. Let's open this one up. It's a trolling motor. Rod storage here, VHF antenna that he keeps stowed in here when he's casting. It's out of the way, but it's there if you need it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Let me know if you have any questions about the boat. The best way to reach me is my cell. It's 910-264-4818. 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Have a great day.